Hey guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. So today I'm going to work on our parts burnt RV 2015 to finish up our nice previously burnt 2015 Vegas RV. So my next big problem I have is basically my seats. I have to get them out of my burnt one, check out what we got to do with them. I mean, I've been calling around all the upholstery shops. I didn't really want to go back to the other place I went to. It just took too long, and I think it's kind of expensive. I don't know. It's fine. I don't know what to do with these seats, honestly. A lot of places, other places I'm calling, they're saying 4 to 6 weeks. And I'm like, oh man, I'm going camping in basically a week from now. So I gotta take it out, check it out, see what I can do with it, see if I can even do it with myself. I don't know. Worst case, seat covers, because I'm going camping. We gotta get this thing done. Maybe we'll figure it out later, but let's go ahead and take them out, see how bad they are, see what they work with, and just figure it out from there. And just like that, got the seats out. Definitely a two-man job because the bolts go down, you gotta go underneath and hold it while spinning kind of thing, but not too bad. Got them out, and I'm gonna basically wash them up, clean them up, see how bad they are, and see what we can do with them. Hopefully, maybe just seat covers. I've seen some fabric spray you could do to get that cover. I don't know what we're gonna do, but they're out, we're moving forward. Let's get them cleaned up. All right guys, got my wheelbarrow full of parts, all my goodies that I wanted. Now it's ready to go. Getting hot out here. Alright guys, so I went to my local automotive store and I got some seat covers. These are pretty cool. I mean, they look pretty industrial. I'll try to get the largest ones I can. And then I got some fabric, vinyl, black spray paint. So hopefully with this combination, I'll be able to have some seats to drive into. I know this is temporary, guys. It's just so hard to get upholstery done anywhere locally. We're in South Carolina upstate. If you know somebody that does seats, that could do some captain chairs, that'd be fantastic. I'd love to send them out, but like I said, I'm in a timeline right now. I got a deadline. I want to go camping. So I think this will do for now. And then later, we'll probably want to come back. We'll take them off. It's 4 bolts. Send them out. Wait how long it takes. But like I said, if you know somebody, reach out to them. Let us know. That'd be great. Send us an email. We'll try, we'll try something. But let's go ahead and put this on and see how it turns out for our temporary fix. right, there we go, just like that, got the seat covers on. If you're wondering why am I messing with these things, why don't I just go out there and buy some new chairs, why even struggle at all? Well, I was looking at the prices, and for captain chairs, they're honestly really expensive. Some of them are, even some of the good deals I found are like $3,000 a piece. Sometimes you can find a better deal, but they're honestly really expensive, and if you're in a rush and then you just impulse buy, and then you're usually gonna lose money. I mean, $3,000 is as much as we paid for that parts camper, so that's pretty crazy, just for some chairs. Honestly, I know there's gonna be good deals out there. I know there's a whole market out there for chairs. I just don't know where it's at right now, so I'll wait, either get it reupholstered or just buy some new chairs. If you know where they're at, if you guys got some hints, some tips, let me know for sure. I'm learning, still new to this game, but I think it's not bad for now. These seat covers will work. It's not a big deal. Let's keep moving forward. Okay, so I'm inside the camper. I need to drill my holes for the seats, and I also need to drill my holes for my plate. I went and painted it, and I got it black to match everything else. That should be fine because it's self-tapping screws, but over here I need to drill through holes, and there's nuts in the bottom, so I have to find that. Basically, it's underneath the RV, but luckily it's not completely under. It's inside this compartment, so let's go check it out. I don't know if you could tell, it's kind of dark in there, but there are my holes. So it's not too bad. I just got to get a drill in there. Not a lot of space, but I got an idea. So I got my 90 extension, and I'm gonna put a little step drill in there. And if need be, I'll put an extension on here, and that way I'll be able to poke my holes. And as long as I get it started, I could drill from the other side, but I think this will work. Let's try it. Man, that is looking great. I love my little stowaway table that we could put up and take down. That's gonna be awesome. I mean, you could turn that around whatever way you want, but nice little addition. Restored and looking good. Love it. So then I have my holes drilled for my chair. I'm gonna do the other side, it's not a big deal. But I was thinking about it, I might as well not install the chairs just yet until I get the bunk bed situated. Oh yeah, a lot of work there. Still got my cover seat on the side. I got them from the parts one. That was a good idea. I read your comments about that, but this is looking good. Got it done. All right, so I got my seat belts all good and dandy, but right now what I really want to try is to get that slide out to slide out. So I got my jump box and we'll put power to it and see what happens, because I need those motors, and it'll be fantastic if that slides out because I can get to the motors easier and I'll know they'll work. But I don't want anything to catch on fire, so I need a fire extinguisher. But if you look at it, there's already one here. Dang, look at that thing. Not even used. Perfectly fine. So I'm gonna get that out and get it ready. They definitely should have used that for the fire. I mean, I honestly don't think that would have helped, but maybe before. But I don't know. Let's go ahead and get that ready, get power to it, and then try to slide it out. It's so dark in here, guys, sorry. Try to get power to it and slide it out. It worked. Okay, I put the jump box onto our basically battery side for the house side, not the engine, but for the back. But the batteries are actually good. They had 12 volts on them, so surprisingly there was power already there, but I couldn't get anything to move. So now I'm going to try to hotwire and go directly to my switchboard, put power there to my slide out and see what happens there, because it's not going like now. So it might be a melted wire or something. There's probably a lot of things going on, but let's try to get that slide out to move. Well, alright guys, so I try to jump in, put power directly to it, but I guess I have to go closer to the motors themselves. The wires are probably burned, disconnected to the motors, so that's fine, not a big deal. But that's all the time I have for today. Stay tuned, I am going to get those motors out, I am going to get that slide out pushed out. I definitely got to get my burnt, crispy, smoky RV finished. I'm going camping soon, deadlines are there, but I'll catch you next time.